Hi, welcome to Mathercise Multiplication Edition. We are going to be doing some exercises while we practice some very basic multiplication facts today. So we will work on finding the product, that is the answer to a multiplication problem, and then we will do that many reps of a particular exercise. So the three exercises we're going to do today are rotational jacks, which I will show you how to do, lunges, and tricep dips. For tricep dips, if you have a chair, you can use a chair. If you don't, I will show you how to do them on the floor. So no big deal. Again, make sure you have some space, some comfy clothes, and you might want some water. So let's get started. Start marching in place. And I just want to talk about real quick why it's so important to know your multiplication facts. It helps with more difficult problems that you'll be learning down the road and working on. It also helps with division. If you know your multiplication facts, division is a lot easier. And in real life, I use multiplication a lot. For example, if I was going to have some friends over, and there's going to be 8 of us all together, and we want to order pizza, and each of us wants to have 2 pieces of pizza, right there, I can use multiplication to figure out how many pieces of pizza I would need to order, right? So if we had 8 people, 2 pieces each, that would be 2, 8 times. 2 times 8 would be 16. So I need to make sure that I have at least 16 pieces of pizza. All right, so keep marching, and I'm going to show you real quick how to do a rotational jack before we get started. So it sounds a lot harder than it really is. Once you try it, you'll get it. So you start with your feet together, your hands like this. You're going to jump out. Excuse my little cheerleader over here. You're going to jump out, and at the same time, when your feet land, you're going to squat down, touch the floor, and with your other arm, just reach up, and then you'll switch sides. So your top of your body will be looking like this, and then the bottom will be squatting down like that. Okay, so I'll show you a couple of ways. So you start here, and up, down, and up, down, and up, down, and up. So if you want to try that real quick, I'll do just a couple with you. Okay, so if you were still marching, try a couple with me. We'll just do like 3. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right, so let's get back to marching. Your first multiplication fact is 10 times 1. So when you're multiplying a number by 1, that means you just have that number 1 time. So if we have 10 one time, we get 10. So anytime you multiply a number times 1, you're going to get that same number. So 10 times 1 is 10. We've got 10 rotational jacks. Here we go. Feet together and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, my heart rate is already up. I hope yours is too. Your next fact is 7 times 2. Okay, so when you're multiplying a number times 2, you have that number 2 times. So think double stacks. So 7 times 2 would be the same as 7 plus 7, which is 14. So we've got 14 rotational jacks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, almost there, 14. Okay, back to marching. All right, next fact is 4 times 3. And remember, multiplication is the same as repeated addition. So you've got 4 3 times, which would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 more. So 4 times 3 is 12. Here we go. Feet together and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. All right, that's it for rotational jacks. Next, we're going to be doing some lunges. So I'm going to scoot back, keep marching. I'll show you for a proper lunge form. Okay, you start with feet together. And you're going to step out, but you want to keep your torso straight. And you want to make sure your knee is over your ankle and not tracking way out over your toes. Okay, so I'll show you what you do not want it to look like. You don't want to do something like this. Okay, so start here. You're gonna step out like this, torso up, down, and then use your heel to push yourself back. So you can really feel it in your back area. Okay, and that's one. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side, which also counts as one for this side. All right, so you step out, down, push off of your heel. Okay, so we're gonna do, that's 1 rep per side. All right, I promise I didn't put too many in. All right, so hopefully you were still marching. Your first fact is 2 times 3. Think repeated addition. Okay, so you've got 2 3 times, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 more. 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 lunges per side. You can do it. All right, so here we go. Give myself a little more room. Okay, that's 1. Back to the right. Other leg. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. Oops. 6. Gotta watch out for my lights there, huh? All right, back to marching. Your next one is 8 times 1. Okay, 8 times 1. So remember, if you have 8, whenever you multiply a number by 1, you get that same number. Keep marching. Keep marching. Okay. All right. I'm clearly home by myself today. All right, so we have 8 times 1, 8 lunges per side. Here we go. I'm just going to go this way now. So you've seen the form. Here we are. Other leg. That's 1. 2. 3. If you're finding it hard to balance, maybe widen your stance. That's 4. Kind of like you're on train tracks. 5. 6. 7. 8. Okay. Keep marching. Keep marching. All right, now your last fact. Let's practice our lunges. 5 times 2. Remember, when you multiply times 2, think doubles. So you have 5, 2 times. 5 plus 5 is 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I promise she's okay. 8, 9, and 10. Good job, that's it for lunges. Last part, dips. All right, so I'll show you real quick. If you have a chair, put yourself on the edge, put your hands facing forward. Make sure your shoulders are over your wrist. You're gonna put your feet out, because again, you don't want to be like this. You want to have your feet out so they end up coming to about a 90-degree angle. Keep your back straight. You're going to use the strength of your arms to lower yourself down. Don't use your legs. Put all the weight on your arms. Down, up, down, up. If you want to make it harder, straighten your legs. Down, up, down, up. Those are pretty tough. If you don't have a chair, that's fine. Use your floor. Make sure you can see me. All right, you're going to sit. Make sure you have your hands, start with your hands right at your side, and then scoot them back about a palm print, a hand print back. Same thing, lean so your shoulders are over your wrist. Put your feet out. You're going to lift your hips, and you're just going to use your arms again. Don't lower your bottom. Just use your arms. Down, up, down, up. And you can make it more challenging by lifting your torso higher, down, and then you've got more range of motion to go down further. So it's up to you how hard you make these. All right. Okay. All right, here we go. Your first fact is 6 times 1. Multiplying a number just by 1, so you end up with the same number. So 6 times 1 is 6. So we're going to do 6 tricep dips. Here we go. Feet out. Shoulders over. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, back to marching. Almost done, guys. 5 times 3. Think repeated addition. 5. 3 times. So you've got 5 plus 5 plus 5 more. 5 times 3 is 15. You can do it. 15. Come on. Feet out. Shoulders over wrists. Weight in the arms. And go. 1, 2, 3. Remember to keep your elbows in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can do it. 13, 14, 15. Whew. All right. Okay. Starting to sweat a little. Okay. The last fact, maybe, might sneak one more in, is 2 times 6. Okay, so you could do repeated addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That might get a little tricky. So you know what else you can do? Flip it around. 2 times 6 is the same as 6 times 2. And what do we know when you multiply times 2? It's a double. So 6 plus 6, 12. Here we go. We got 12. Okay, ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come back and march with me. Come on. Move a little more. We got one more fact. Are you ready? It is 9 times 0. Who knows what 9 times 0 would be? When you multiply a number times 0, you get 0, nothing, which means we are finished. And just in case you were worried, let me show you. She's fine. She's fine. She just wanted Mama to hold her. All right, come back. We'll do some more. If you want to keep going, you can rewind this and start over. Another thing you could do is have someone call out facts for you. You can do this anytime. You don't need to follow the video anymore if you don't want to. Watch my other ones, but if you want to do some more facts, have a family member call out some numbers for you. Or you can change up the exercises, but you can do this anytime, and you can even do division or subtraction and do the number of reps to the answers to those problems. So thanks for joining. See you soon.